Hi everyone, Miss Martin here, and it has been almost 24 hours. It's about 8 a.m. on Tuesday. We are going to take the egg out of the glass container. Now first, if you can see, I'm going to try to get a good view of the egg inside. You can see it's absolutely covered in bubbles. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pour it into the bowl, and we're going to see what it looks like. All right. So, oh, this is weird. So the egg is now completely gooey. It feels almost like a hard-boiled egg. There's not a single hard shell left on it. It's completely smooth. So the reason we did this experiment is this reaction took a little bit longer than, a couple minutes. This reaction took about 24 hours to happen. The eggshell was dissolved off by the acid. Is there anything we've seen this week that might have been a chemical reaction but took a long time? Let's go back to the gargoyles. So, what was happening with the gargoyles? A lot of people were kind of confused by this question and why I brought it up. But is there anything we've watched this unit that explains what could have happened to these gargoyles? So remember, the one on the left was a brand new gargoyle. These things are carved out of something called limestone. Even though it's solid rock, it turns out that limestone is similar in many ways to baking soda. When any acid is placed on limestone, the limestone fizzes and creates bubbles. But it's not like the gargoyles ever got acid on them, right? Well, as you might know, rainwater is not pure water. It contains impurities from the air around us. Some of those impurities actually make rainwater very slightly acidic. It's not enough to harm your skin, but it's enough that over time, the rainwater acts like an acid on the gargoyles. Just like baking soda and vinegar, the limestone and rainwater are taking part in a chemical reaction. The limestone and acid are reacting to form a new substance. One of those substances is a gas, carbon dioxide, which is released into the air. So those are those fuzzy bubbles you see. Let's watch this quick part. So that's the limestone reacting with acid. So even though it may seem like the stone is disappearing, in fact, it's only changing, reacting with acid to form carbon dioxide. So first, acid rain falls on the limestone gargoyle. Second, acid rain and the limestone react and the stone turns into a new substance. Carbon dioxide gas is created. Third, carbon dioxide gas goes into the air. So, I want you guys to keep in mind that there are chemical reactions all around you, and some of them might take a little bit of time. In this case, these gargoyles, these limestone stone gargoyles, took hundreds of years to dissolve away. And this eggshell took one night, took 24 hours sitting in vinegar to dissolve away. All right, make sure you do your best, and I will see you guys soon.